Assalamu alaikum class 5. This is my third lecture part 3. Subject English language. Topic does he remember? In this session we will talk about the answer question of the topic does he remember. Answer the following question. Question A. What did Mike see when he arrived at the gate? Answer. He saw a sign that said beware of dogs. Question B. Give 2 reasons why Mike did not climb over the gate. Answer. Mike did not climb over the gate because he knew that the sign might be true and because he was too old. Question C. Had Mike been to the house before? How do we know? Answer. Yes, Mike had been to the house before. We know because it says that he was thinking about all the occasions he had visited this house and because he remembers Nabil's dog as puppies. Question D. What kind of room was Nabil sitting in? Answer. Nabil was sitting in a large dark room. Question E. How did Marmaduke react to Mike? Marmaduke reacted angrily to F. How did Mike leave the property? Answer. Mike left the property by running out and leaping over the gate. Question G. Which words and phrases tell us that Mike was frightened of Marmaduke? Answer. There are a number of words and phrases that tell us Mike was frightened of Marmaduke. Number 1. I do, stuttered Mike. No, whispered Mike. Number 3. Stop him, do something, screamed Mike. Question H. How do you think Marmaduke recognized Mike? Answer. Marmaduke recognized Mike by his smell. Answer the following question with reference to context. The line is taken from the story and judge that from where the line has been taken or what the meaning of these lines or write the explanation or reference to context. The line is, can you be sure? Asked Mike. The first question is to whom does Mike address this question? Answer is Nabil. Question 2. What is Mike trying to make sure of? Mike trying to make sure of that Marmaduke does not remember how Mike used to worry him. Does the answer satisfy him? No. Learners, why don't the answer of the next line your own? The line is Nabil acted just in time. What made Nabil act in time? What did he do? Was his action satisfactory? Part B. Copy and complete the following. You will find the words in the passage but try to do it without looking. Mike made sure to keep close to the old man, determinedly staying a step behind him. But he was not completely convinced that this was true. Come on, textbook page number 20. See, the heavy gate dashed and dashed as it was swung open with some difficulty, squeaked and screeched. D. The dark form leapt into the air urgently and dashed to get off the sofa urgently and screamingly. 2. Which of the following words are incorrect? Correct the mistakes. There are some words that spellings are wrong. Correct the spellings or correct the words. A. Collapsed. 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 Obviously. Cacophony. Annoyed. 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 Apparent. Illuminated. 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 Ferocious. FEROCIOUS. Scrawled. 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 OWLED. Scrawled. Part C. Punctuation. Punctuate the following lines by using comma, apostrophe, question mark, capital letter or inverted commas. The next is verbs and adverbs. Make list of verbs and adverbs in the following passage. Make two lists. In one list, write verbs from these lines, and in the second list, write adverbs from the given lines. Question 3. Find 6 interesting verbs and 6 interesting adverbs in the chapter Does He Remember? Textbook page number 21, part D. Using the correct question tag in is important if you want to speak good English. The example is, you can hear him snoring. Can't you? Look at the yellow box. Question tags are mainly used in two ways. We can use question tag in two ways: to get someone involved in a conversation or to encourage a response, to seek agreement. Example: Sheila was in an awful mood, wasn't she? Falling intonation at the end. The confirm information. The question is usually genuine but confirmation is sought. Example: I did pay him last week, didn't I? Rising intonation at the end. There are exceptions. Let's do it now, shall we? Use shall after let's. I am taller than you, aren't I? Use the plural form are not after I am. Write your name here, will or would you? Use will or would after imperative sentences. Now learners, make some question tags your own. We'll meet in the next lecture, inshallah, and Allah Hafiz.